times do you find yourself looking for images in your drive or on your local drive, and you have to click so many folders that are nested within other folders that it just takes so long and you actually cannot find anything? I run into this problem with my clients. They share Google Drive with me, especially e-commerce clients where they have so many images, and then I have to actually click after click after click because images are nested within folders, and there's really no easy way for me to preview them. Yes, I can download them to my computer, which I try to avoid because these files are quite large, and still, even if you have them on your computer, there is a problem of just getting a tiny little picture and not really being able to preview everything. So I've decided to build Sift, taking advantage of Fable 5 and finalizing a project that's been sitting for a while. And I wanted to build something that is going to give me and my clients an easy way, easy view into the drive, sharing files or at least understanding what's in a folder. So here I am, this is Sift, and I built it where you can either look on your local folder or connect to your Google Drive. And also I can share this with my clients. I want it to be able, when you click here, and then you can actually just add your Google Drive workspace API, and it will connect to that particular drive. This is connected to my drive, and then I can see my files, my shared files, and also everything that clients shared with me. We have here a little folder with shortcuts that Claude built for me, the light theme and a dark theme, Google Drive, and here is the Google Drive folder. So let me click on the Google Drive folder, and I am going to navigate to my shared folders, and I was looking for something good for the presentation, some old trade pictures. So what do we have here? We have folders with the subfolders, and this is built on the bridge by Adobe that's been around for a very, very long time. But if you don't have a paid Adobe, then you don't have an access to it. And again, I know that many people really don't use specific tools. I don't even know if there is a lot of tools like this out there. What do we have here? It's your drive, and then breaks it down by each separate subfolder. So you can just narrow it down to what's in each subfolder. These might take originally a minute to load, but eventually this is rather quick. This is pulling from my server, so yeah, so it's fast. Now here you can group it however you want it. You can also build different variants of, so you can tag it differently. You can sort it by name, newest, oldest, largest, so all kinds of sorting capabilities. You can also change the way the thumbnails are displayed, and then you can add the ratings, and then auto tagging, tag color, and find best shots. And here also we have a smart search, which I'm still working on, but it's supposed to help you if you want a specific product or type of products, or you just describe what you want, and it's supposed to look at. It's not quite working yet, but hopefully I'll figure this out to work much better. Then once you click on a picture, then we get the enlargement, and then under the enlargement we get all the metadata of the image, and then you can add the star ratings. So then you can sort it by the star ratings. You can select for download, and also here you can click on these, and if you have one file, it will download one file. If you select several files, you will be able to download a zip file, but also it will allow you to download a CSV file, so you have a file with all the shots that you want to be working on. So for example, if I'm working with an e-commerce brand and I have somebody creating images for a special project or for a website, then we can choose from here. I can download a spreadsheet, and that also is going to be much easier for me to understanding which image goes to what product, because these, might have appropriate names. It's just much easier to understanding and sorting through everything. You can also create your own variant, so whether you want it to be sorted by color or size or I don't know what else, that can be done as well. And also what I like a lot is if you work with Claude, you can connect this to Claude, and Claude can actually help you customize this to your needs. I also wanted to be able to have a quick preview to the video. So if you click on the video, it is actually going to allow you to scrub the video, so quickly you can see what's in it, and that is also a really fast way to get an idea what's in it, kind of a video, what's inside the video. Additionally, what I built here is a filter to find a best shot, which means that if I click and if I run it, it will actually score the images for me, and it will help me pick up the best. So if I have, let's say, several different images, it will be able to analyze them and tell me which is the best, which I also think it's an amazing time consuming part. And then you can just click on best only and it should pull up like the best. These also have some sort of a scoring system here that it can help you kind of understand how good the picture is. So again, everything is in a work in progress, but I think that overall this is an incredibly helpful tool, especially when you're sorting lots of images. And if you want to have an easy and quick preview into what's in your product image library, especially again e-commerce stores that they work with tons of product shots and on content creation, I was trying to solve my problem, and that's what I built. So this is going to be available eventually. I would love to share it with everyone else. So let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in my next video.